Okay, so this was pressure cooked for 2 hours, so sterilized, and I let it cool down overnight, and it's now ready to inoculate. So your culture will come like this. It consists of alcohol pad to clean the area where you're going to insert the needle itself, 18G, and of course the culture. Now the culture, before you use it, very important, you want to shake it. Shake it. Yeah, like that. You want to see that it's all nice and spread out, because they tend to clump together. That's what mycelium does. And when you shake it, you spread it out, so it's going to spread in the grain much faster. All right, so ready to inoculate this. First, what we do, we have the alcohol swab. We just open it, and some of these bags come with inoculation, self-healing inoculation points, which I think personally is a complete waste of time. It costs a lot of money as well. A bag like that, like £2 more, just because there is inoculation, self-healing inoculation port, they call it. This has now been cleaned. The needle is sterile when it comes, so we remove the top. This here is actually a very nice wine cap that I'm going to try out for the first time. Okay, and then just remove, put it in the middle there, and just squirt it around some places. Now I'm going to use half of this only. The other half I'm going to use for another bag. The more you use, obviously, the faster it's going to spread in your bag. Okay, now after you've done that, I use micropore tape. You can also use normal tape if you want, and you just cover the hole where you inserted the needle, and that's it, done. And I like to spread it up a little bit so that we get more attacking point for the mycelium, and then it should spread all over the bag. Obviously, after about a week, when you see it's like half white, you break it up and you again spread it around, and then after 2 weeks, 3 weeks max, it will be completely like this one. You can see how it's spread. After a week I broke it up. Now it's like a big mushroom, mycelium everywhere. So this is now ready to be mixed in with what is this, black pearl King Oyster. So I'm going to use hardwood and straw, mix it all together, and then after about 2-3 weeks we will have beautiful mushroom growing. All right, that's all.